This is the most violent wedding scene in the universe. About 700 million light-years from Earth, deep in space, two colossal black holes, each with masses tens to hundreds of times greater than the Sun, are locked together in a deadly embrace. They spiral around one another hundreds of times every second, performing what scientists call the final dance of death. When they finally collide, the energy released is beyond imagination, equivalent to detonating tens of trillions of hydrogen bombs at once. In that instant, space and time behave like stretched rubber being violently torn apart, sending ripples through the fabric of the universe at the speed of light. These ripples are known as gravitational waves. If such a catastrophe were to occur within the Milky Way, the resulting gravitational waves would act like a cosmic tsunami, severely disturbing planetary orbits across vast regions of space. At the moment of merger, part of the surrounding matter is accelerated to nearly the speed of light. Within just 1,000th of a second, an intense burst of gamma rays can be released, emitting more energy than the Sun will produce over billions of years. If this deadly beam were aimed directly at Earth, even from thousands of light-years away, it could strip away the ozone layer almost instantly, triggering mass extinction on a global scale. Now focus on an extraordinary detail. After the merger, the newly formed black hole has a mass nearly 3 solar masses less than the combined mass of the two original black holes. This missing mass has been completely converted into energy, exactly as predicted by Einstein's equation, E=mc². The energy released exceeds the total energy output of all matter in the entire solar system. In 2015, humanity detected this phenomenon for the first time. The gravitational wave signal, known as GW150914, was effectively a recording of such a collision. The vibrations in spacetime were so powerful that they caused the fabric of the universe to stretch and compress, making the Earth, hundreds of millions of light-years away, tremble by a fraction smaller than an atomic nucleus. What remains after the collision is an extremely massive black hole. Its gravitational influence can extend across millions of kilometers, and anything that passes too close would be torn apart by immense tidal forces, reduced to streams of atoms. Even more terrifying is its rotation. The newly born black hole can spin hundreds to thousands of times per second, twisting the surrounding spacetime into a permanent, spiraling gravitational trap, a cosmic prison from which nothing can escape. Fortunately, the nearest supermassive black hole to Earth, Sagittarius A*, lies about 26,000 light-years away at the center of our galaxy. Yet, across the universe, such catastrophes are happening all the time. Every time we look up at the night sky, somewhere in the deep darkness of space, black holes are dancing, and sometimes they collide.